Who else has seen the thickness of this road? My goodness, just take a look at it. The thickness alone is screaming one thing. These people know exactly what they are doing. Now remember, just yesterday I posted about David Umahi and how he talked about the installation of solar lights on the Enugu-Onitsha Expressway. A lot of people doubted it. Some even asked, where is the road? Well, here you go. Take a good look from the structure to the finishing to the visible planning. This is not your regular road project. But beyond the road, something even bigger just happened, and not many people are talking about it yet. A new political and leadership platform has just been launched in the Southeast. It's called the Southeast Former Governors Forum, and guess who is right at the center of it? Engineer David Umahi. So according to him, this forum is not about politics as usual. It's about experience, it's about continuity, and most importantly, it's about supporting current governors in the Southeast. In his words, this body will work hand in hand with 7 governors, offering advice on key regional and national matters. And here is the interesting part. It is open to all former governors of the Southeast, no matter their political party.
What was going on and is still going on is that we now have the birth of a forum of former Southeast governors. Today, the 7th of April, 2026. And so we have been deliberating, and they have asked me to read out a very short communique, which is a product of our discussion and dialogue. So the communique, Southeast Forum of Former Governors is formed today, 7th of April, 2026. The body is to support our presiding governors of Southeast and advise them on key zonal and national matters. The forum shall be for all former governors, irrespective of party affiliation. So far, they have been governor in Southeast. We commend the great works that our governors of Southeast are doing for the benefit of our people. We commend Mr. President very highly for all the appointments, some of them very key, that is given to sons and daughters of Southeast, and for infrastructural revolution in Southeast, just like what he's doing in other regions of the country.
The forum was officially launched on April 7th, 2026, and while not everyone was present, he made it clear that by the next meeting, over 90% of former governors are expected to be in attendance. That tells you one thing: this is just the beginning. The forum did not stop there. They also came out strongly to commend Bola Ahmed Tinubu for what they described as a nationwide infrastructure revolution, especially highlighting developments in the Southeast. They acknowledged 1. Key appointments given to Southeast indigents, 2. Ongoing infrastructure projects, 3. Support to state governments. And then came a bold statement, one that is already raising eyebrows, that all Southeast governors are supporting the president's re-election. Now, whether people agree or not, the statement alone is going to spark conversations. Some major names were present at the meetings, including Sullivan Chime, Martin Elichi, Okezie Ekwazu, Chris Ngige, Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi, and they also paid a courtesy visit to Peter Mbah, the governor of Enugu State.
Your Excellency, good day, sir.
No, when me and you were talking, establishment of then same the idea because I don't come forward and say it Dodge. And I have sent more than 3 different text messages. To manage.
Now let's put things into perspective. Years from now, when people talk about the formation of this forum, one name will always come up first, David Umahi, because it will be on record that he was the one who initiated and drove the creation of the Southeast Former Governors Forum. And when you connect this with what we are seeing on ground, from road construction to regional collaboration, it paints a larger picture. This is not just about projects, it's about influence, it's about legacy. Now over to you. Do you think this forum will truly make an impact in the Southeast? Or is this just another political move? And also, what's your take on that road quality we just saw? Let's hear your thoughts.
We also thank Mr. President for the assistance to the governors of Southeast and of course, indeed, all governors of the country, which has helped the governors of Southeast in very, very high measures towards the great achievements they have recorded while in their various offices. We are grateful to Mr. President and we thank our dear governors of Southeast for their commitment in their face of the people of Southeast, especially infrastructure development and empowerment and security. We boldly say that all the governors of Southeast are supporting Mr. President re-election, and we are very grateful for them because this is strategic, thinking and a strategic approach. And for this, we will continue to give them support. And I believe that our next meeting, which we embrace most of the former governors, will be in the next 2 weeks. And let me also report that we are going to pay a courtesy call to the governor of Enugu State right now, and we will be requesting him to report our outing to the chairman of Southeast Governors Forum, and of course to all the governors of Southeast, to get a date that we come and pay the courtesy call and brief them on the need for this Southeast Former Governors Forum. That's